How do you spell the word advice? Is it ADVICE or ADVISE? Did you get confused between the two? Advice, ADVISE, is a verb which means to recommend or to give information to someone, whereas advice, ADVICE, is a noun which means an opinion or a recommendation given to someone as a guide to action. English being a complex language with various irregularities and exceptions, spelling can be a bit challenging for a few. So here I am giving you tips and tricks on how to improve your spelling. This is Nidhi and welcome to Euroconnect. So here are a few tips to improve your spelling. The first one is write and review your work. You can identify your errors by reviewing your work. This can be either cross-checked with spell check, or you can copy-paste your work in Microsoft Word, which will automatically red mark your errors. This is a very simple method to identify your errors. Avoid using auto-typing and short forms, which will discourage you to identify your errors. Tip 2. Phonetic spelling. Phonetic spelling is a system of spelling in which each letter represents one spoken sound. In English, most of the words are written the way they are pronounced, but it's most of the words, not all. Let us consider a few examples. Opportunity, OPPORTUNITY. Everybody often misspell it as OPPURTUNITY. Honesty, HONESTY, where H is silent. Subtle, SUBTLE, where B is silent. Tip 3. Homophones. Homophones are words which have the same pronunciation but different spelling and meaning. For example, cast, CAST, is to give someone a role in a movie, whereas caste, CASTE, is a division of society based on certain criteria. Birth, BIRTH, which means being born, and birth, BERTH, is a place to sleep in a train or ship. Tip 4. Play fun and engaging games that will help you improve your spelling. For example, Scrabble is a classic word game which challenges you to make words from the given pile of letters. Word puzzle is a puzzle game wherein you have to find out the word from the given puzzle of letters. All these will help you improve your spelling, vocabulary, and your thinking skills. Spelling mistakes can be embarrassing and can negatively affect our communication. However, if we use such simple tips, we can easily avoid spelling mistakes and communicate more effectively. If you liked our videos and want more such content, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Tap the bell icon to stay tuned for more videos.